I had never seen anything this in the construction of houses. No need to use a red brick. Throughout the process, you don't pour cement. Only 3 days. He built a beautiful wooden house. The materials are simple. It's all wood. Sure enough, experts generally in the folk. First, the workers will be on the foundation pellets. Fix some planks, the base frame that makes the wooden house. Edges needs to be thick at the same time. Screws to strengthen it firmly. Subsequently, thermal insulation and integrated panel. Then install the wooden board the corresponding in this way. Connect and assemble. Certainly, these connection points must also have screws thoroughly reinforced. The following is to repeat the above operation. These composite panels are just splice it together like building blocks. Here I will not introduce them one by one. Please pay attention to operation details in the video. Note that after the basic outline, the base comes out, should also be cut in place together so you can continue to use square wood and foam glue seal the edges. After the base is done, the workers will bring some square wood, then fix it around the base. And these squares also serve as a kind of fixture, so it must be firmly reinforced. Fix the back, clean up the protruding foam, glue on the inside, and then they would bring in composite panels and then paste it together with the wooden board at the bottom so it creates the wall structure of the house. As you can see from the video, the masters cooperate tacitly with each other. Two people are responsible for handling the fixed plates. One person is for strengthening the walls. Original. Together for decades, hundreds, if not 1,000, have been built. The operation process has deeply engraved in my mind. Reserve the location of doors and windows. You will also reserve in place in order to complete this super project as soon as possible. I think this is the true craftsman. After the wall frame is completed, clean up the trash inside and the structure of the interior space. The workers are also directly fixed. These bound wooden frames. With these wooden frames, 10 of the inner room, it also acts as a support column. So the very top of the frame, we need to continue to reinforce a layer of square wood. Of course, the top of the wall structure, it's also sealed with planks. Make the height consistent with the support frame. Then the workers will continue to move up composite integrated decorative panel. These materials are stitched together. This creates the top platform of the house. The operation process is the same as below. It's just skipped here. Of course, after the platform is built, you still need to set makeup around the house. And the side space inside the house needs to be supported with wood first. Put the gasket on. At the same time, use foam glue to close these gaps. Fill and seal. This way the house will not leak air. Here we go. The masters will deliver some square wood to the top, then follow the drawings. Draw lines in specific areas. Then these square woods are assembled and spliced together. Frames that form a staircase shape. After reinforcement, it can be fixed to the floor platform until it extends to the edge of the platform. Then you can take the ladder sub-shaped wood frame as fulcrum. Two pieces of cut wood are fixed on each side, so the three will form a triangle. And then seal the front with an Osoni board. It's not hard to see. Masters, this is building roof frames for houses. So now they will continue perfect the structure of the entire roof. Since the entire house is made of wood, therefore, the house was built. The child must also be warm and cold resistant. It is worth noting that in order to ensure the robustness of the roof structure, the master will also be the side and in the middle. After all are fixed, this is the effect. And of course, the eaves on the edge of the roof. The masters will also install them one by one. Next, you can lay thermal insulation waterproof Pay attention to wooden nails while laying. This step is relatively simple. Trust a friend with strong hands-on ability. It must be at a glance. Pay attention to the exterior wall. Long wooden boards. The following can be the eaves. Install aluminum alloy blank holder. This material is not only simple to install, it's also lightweight and durable. and the seal of the roof. It's this synthetic resin tile that's used. Synthetic resin tile production single sheet is large, easy to move debris, so it can significantly improve the efficacy, save labor. The shortened attack is the perfect choice here. Here we go. Workers will be on the upper and lower sides of the base. Aluminum alloy brackets separately. The middle of the bracket is to install such a bump-shaped fence. The baffle is also very simple to operate. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. As for the wall here, masters will also install fixed aluminum thermal insulation panel. Project as soon as possible. It doesn't matter if it's dark during the day, whether it is windy or snowy. They will all build in an orderly manner the established plan. Can you use your little hands to make a fortune? Click on love to encourage and support. Go here, and you're done with this beautiful mobile cabin. How did it surprise you? 10 out of 10. How would you rate it? Welcome to comment. Leave a message.